Are you looking for a healthier way to enjoy cupcakes without using white flour? Then you have to try these delicious sweet potato mini cupcakes. I love this recipe because it uses simple ingredients and you don't need a lot of sugar to make something that tastes delicious. Start with your cooked sweet potato. Mash it really well until it becomes smooth and creamy. Sweet potato gives these little cupcakes their beautiful golden color and natural sweetness. Now, let's add our eggs. The eggs help bring everything together and also add protein to the recipe. Next, I'm adding oat flour. I love using oat flour instead of regular white flour because it works beautifully in this recipe and gives the cupcakes a soft texture. Then add your milk. You can use the milk you normally have at home. Add a little at a time as you mix because you want the batter to be thick and smooth, not too runny. And of course, we need cinnamon. Cinnamon gives these mini cupcakes that warm, comforting flavor that makes your kitchen smell amazing. Mix everything together until all the ingredients are well combined. Now comes my favorite part, making them mini. Instead of making large cupcakes, I'm using a mini cupcake pan. This makes them perfect for portion control and also makes them so cute and easy to enjoy. Lightly grease your mini cupcake molds, then spoon the batter into each one. Don't fill them all the way to the top because they will rise as they bake. Place them in your preheated oven and bake until they are golden on top and cooked through. Look at these. They come out soft, golden, and absolutely delicious. And because they're small, you can enjoy a couple as a snack or have them alongside a balanced breakfast. I especially love pairing mine with some plain Greek yogurt or fresh fruit for a more filling meal. If you're trying to lose weight, remember that no single food magically causes weight loss. What matters is your overall diet, portions, protein intake, movement, and consistency. But healthier versions of your favorite foods can definitely make your journey more enjoyable. And these sweet potato mini cupcakes are a great example. You're getting the natural goodness of sweet potato, oat flour, eggs, milk, and cinnamon all in one little bite. They're perfect for breakfast, meal prep, an afternoon snack, or even when you're craving something sweet. And because they're bite sized, they're easy to portion out instead of sitting down with a huge cupcake. So if you have sweet potatoes at home, don't let them go to waste. Try turning them into these delicious mini cupcakes. Save this recipe, share it with someone who loves sweet potatoes, and follow for more healthy recipes that are simple, delicious, and family friendly. And tell me in the comments,